A moving field guide is an outdoor experience that brings together artists, scientists, and naturalists. And it's about getting participants out in their local region to learn about the local ecology, both through an artistic approach and an ecological approach.
But we'll see if we can find some around here, along here, that are really curled up. They're all curled up as they get taller. They are.
Yeah. Yeah. I like that. The curly. Yeah. Okay. Curly fern dance.
From my perspective, a moving field guide involves bringing together naturalists and dancers with a group of students or other members of the public as participants to take a nature walk and involve the whole body in learning about nature. Well, the dancers pick up on the gestures that the naturalists make or the students make, or we talk about history of the place and turn those concepts into movements and build a dance as we go through.
So I want to take this idea of the variation and the different size leaves and just have you partner up with someone that's close by and think back to one of the movements that you made. And it's okay if the person that you're with was in a different group, but you're just going to pick two of the movements from the phrase and see if you can find a way to make those very small in the body. So we went from the larger leaf to the smaller leaf.
The moving field guides offer new ways of knowing a place. I think it's about seeing and experiencing the place in a new way and not just observing with the eyes, but building the capacity to be able to observe with the whole body.
Keep us near Granddaddy's land, so tomorrow morning early, heading back up to Cape.
What are some ways we can collect observations? How do we keep track of what we see?
Yeah, write them down.
Write them down. What else? What are other ways we can keep track?
Memorize them.
Memorize them, so keep them in our heads, yeah?
Take pictures.
Take a picture. Good, so we're going to try another way today. We're going to try to document what we see in our bodies. So, what I saw you, tell me your name again?
Adelia.
Adelia was talking about the circles in the trees, and she just took her fingers and she started to draw little circles. So can everybody try that for me? Just drawing
The
little
fact that
circles.
they're connecting
Nice. Yeah, and Paloma's already
the
got this.
book learning about nature with movement in their own body makes it easier to remember. It's like riding a bike. If you know how to ride a bike, you remember it the next time you get on the bike. It's sort of the same thing if you're walking in the woods and you learn a particular thing about a kind of a tree or a kind of an animal and incorporate that into movement, you're more likely to remember those sorts of things in the future.